My wife's making some codfish cakes. First thing she does is let that codfish soak in water overnight. And now she's peeling potatoes. Okay, she sliced up about 4 or 5, maybe 6 potatoes. See, long slices like that.
Cook quicker, that's all.
See, they cook. She said they cook quicker that way. What's that now?
When you get these done, you just put them in cold water until you're ready to cook them, so they won't turn dark. We need for that. I just need a bowl.
Okay, she dumped the water out. It's been soaking probably a couple hours. She dumped the water out and put fresh water in the codfish. Trying to get the salt out of the salt taste out of the codfish. And they're soaking against the. Okay, she just rinsed the fish out one more time. She's gonna put it on the pot.
And boil them.
And boil them. Add some water. I guess it's just enough to cover them probably.
Yeah. Is that right, Ringo?
Is that right? Yeah. Shoot, that's what she's telling us. That's right.
Okay.
How you cook them? Mm-hmm. Put them on the stove, bring them to a boil.
Yeah, you gotta cook them till they flake apart.
Well, I mean, you bring it to a boil and then you just let them boil until they flake apart? Or what?
Well, you check them. I mean,
Yeah, but I mean,
if you can take a fork and flake them apart, they're done. Then you drain them.
Okay.
And the potatoes, after you get them done, you drain them. And then you put some little dried onion flakes and some pepper, no salt, and mix all that together and make your patties.
You got the sliced up potatoes. There now. Put them in a pot.
What?
Oh.
What do you think's been dumped down that sink?
And you fill that up till they're covered over.
Cover the taters, get them tender.
You bring them to a boil.
Wait a minute, what am I doing? What does melt mean? That's that burner there. Oh, Lord.
No, you're right.
Well, see, I never saw that before. Look, you.
Now, how long you cook them?
Till you can take a fork and stick in them and they're tender.
Okay, she cooked the potatoes until they're flaky and cooked the codfish till they're flaky. Now she's going to mix them together. Breaking it up, picking for bones.
Oh, I forgot to take my rings off. Crap in my rings. Fun, fun, fun.
It did say boned codfish.
It's never a bone in it.
Okay, she put no bones. Mix it up real good. And that potatoes get in there.
Yeah.
Are they hot?
Cool as I
Yeah. Mix
get
them up.
down here. I don't need your help, Ringo.
Ringer's trying to help.
A little bit of dry onion, minced onion.
Okay.
Yeah. And a little bit of pepper. No salt. Okay,
That's it?
get it mixing.
Still pretty good. Now you make patties out of
Make
them.
patties. Let's see how cool they are. Oh yeah, they're cool now.
I'll let you make one and I'll do the rest of them. Demonstrate. That patty makes pretty good, doesn't it?
And you will have to rinse your hands a time or two because this stuff will stick to them. See?
So let's do it. Okay. There's 19 codfish patties. Then you put we fry them and put cheese on them.
Fry them in some bacon grease preferably.
Yeah.
And put cheese on top on the, after you flip them over, put cheese on top to melt it.
Yeah. Extra sharp cheese.
Yep. Cheddar cheese.
This product. Fry one side, turn it over, put cheese on it, and then fry the back of it. And they are fantastic.